Muingi wa bururi ni ukumithitie giko giki kuria maugite arithia kuuma mabururi maya meeri ni makoretwo na ngwataniro njega muno makiriria kwagia na riũa-ini ni mabururi-ini maya. Kurumirira giko giki arithia kuuma kaunti ya Kajiado ni maheanite mikana ya kuirihiria undu uria utumite county commissioner wa kaunti ino kumoria magie na ukiririria na kuhe kahinda honge cia ugitiri gutigirira kihonia ni kionekana.
There's a lot of bitterness among the communities. You know, these are very poor Kenyans. And they have hosted their counterparts from Tanzania over the years.
Ohide-ini oro munini wa governor wa Kajiado, Martin Mushisho, ne ugite uhoro ni wagirire kung'ethanirwo naguo na ihenya ota uria kwahoteka ni anyitite miothe niguo kurigiriria haro gututhuka gatagati-ini ka mabururi maya meeri.
Ningeomba uongozi wa nchi yetu, rais wetu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta pamoja na naibu wake waweze kusuluhisha ama kuweza kuwafikia hao viongozi kuhakikisha kwamba mienendo hiyo ama matukio kama hayo inaweza kuzorotesha ule uhusiano ambao tumekuwa tukifurahia.
Muthenya wa ira minister wa maundu ma nanja Amina Mohamed ni araugire miario no irathi na mbere gatagati-ini ka mabururi maya meeri.
I think a protest note is gone. Actually, it was delivered to the meeting in Arusha, where the East African community was meeting, because we have protocols, we have ways of dealing with issues in the East African community that should work. They should not be ignored or pushed aside. And so that has been handed over there, but also the High Commission in Dar es Salaam has done the same.
Ngwataniro ya biashara gatagati-ini ka mabururi-ini maya meeri ni ikoretwo iri njega kwa ihinda iraya, no mutongoria wa bururi wa Tanzania John Pombe Magufuli ni ahinyiriirie ndegwitikira mahiu ma bururi wa Kenya kurithio bururi-ini wake. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV ni Ngeto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.